Are you someone who is struggling to speak confidently at your workplace? You're finding it hard to have a conversation with the senior level management people, or you're just going blank just because you are nervous. So today in this video, I'm going to share with you 6 mindset hack that can actually bring transformation in your speaking challenges. Now, you must be wondering that Sujata, whenever I'm going on the stage, I just go on the stage, I just fumble, I forget my English, my grammar seems unprofessional, or I forget my grammar, I forget my language, a lot more. Now, hold on. This is not just happening because you're not good with your grammar, it is happening because you're not good with your confidence. So, you need to figure out whether it is my words or whether it is my confidence. If it is your words, then you need to look forward for a grammar. If it is your confidence, then you need to look forward for the public speaking trainings. Yep. So now there's a very number one shift that we need to work about when it comes to confidence, is that accepting that fear is normal. A lot of us, we feel that, oh my god, I see my manager speaking confidently, I see everyone around me speaking confidently, it's only me, there's something wrong with me, I have this anxiety and all of that. Stop comparing yourself very first, but also simultaneously ensure that you accept this, that fear is very normal and it's okay to feel this way, because this is a part of it. There's nothing that has happened to you, because I've seen multiple people going to psychologists, going to many they get the therapy done. So it's not wrong with your English grammar or with anything. It is just a mindset shift. So accept fear is normal. Number two is all about accepting that it is workable. As I say that public speaking, a lot of you have this fear that, oh my god, I have been dealing with these challenges for a really long time, whether I'll be able to work on this because I'm at the age of my 40, 30, 60. I'm not sure if I can ever do this. Understand, this is a learnable skill, and even this can be learned if you are ready for it. And if you are a student, if you are ready, teacher will appear. So the only thing that you need to understand, as it's a learnable skill, all that you need to do is go get your help done. The third thing that you need to understand, that your audience wants best for you. Every time that you step on the stage, or every time that you have to speak in front of the people, no matter whether you have 1,000 audience, you have 100 audience, you have 5 audience, every audience wants you to win, because audience are investing their time, energy, money to come to the event as so, and they are only and only expecting that they will get best out of the learning, and they want you to chair, they want you to get chaired, and they want you to perform really well. So don't you think, always recall now that when was the last time that you attended an event, and how did that go? And that's when you realize that what did you think as an audience when you were actually speaking there on the stage? Were you there to judge your speaker, or you were there to get the best out of it? I'm sure it should be the best out of it. And number 5, it's all about acceptance. Now, public speaking is normal, and it's important for you to accept that this emotion is going to be a part of me. I cannot change this emotion. Just like I have my happy emotion, I have sad emotion. Fear is one of the emotion that I cannot change. All that I can do is accept and embrace the fear and go forward for it, because fear cannot be removed, but it can be handled. What is fear? Fear is one of the emotion that can be handled. And number 6, most importantly, all that you need to understand is that public speaking, the fear can be handled, because you have to understand it's not your stage fear, it's your people fear. You're not worried or afraid of the stage or the auditorium, you're just afraid of people. So you just have to bring that shift, that I am going to deliver my talk, I am going to look at my audience. Just have this mindset shift that I just have to talk for 10 minutes out of this 24 hours, and I am going to ensure that I take a charge of everything and give my best and be confident for next 10 minutes out of 24 hours. The moment you trick your mind telling that I am going to handle it, I'm gonna have power over my time. I'm gonna be confident for next 10 minutes, no matter how scared I am inside. You rock. And implement all that I told you. You will see a drastic change in the way that you present. Understand confidence is a feeling, fear is an emotion. If you know how to handle this fear, and if you know what to do in order to boost your good feeling, so releasing this oxytocin, the happy and the love hormone, and feeling yourself on the stage is the key to the success of any speaking gig, any speaking presentation, any audience that you approach. This is it. Go on the stage, have a conversation, just behave in a way that I am going to be myself. I'm going to talk to my audience. I'm going to give my best because I am here to give, not to receive. Receiving things will come to me. That is an appreciation, that is a cheering up, the clap, everything will come to me if I'm going to give my best. So you're not going to think about yourself on the stage. You're just going to think about your message, your audience, and that's it. On that note, hit the like button and comment down what was your takeaway, and hit that bell button, subscribe to my channel for the amazing videos coming your way. I'll see you soon. If you're not following me on my social media, check out me on my Instagram called as Coach Sujata Kumari, and I'll see you there.